Ready, play.
Performing as one, the Beaufort County School District Honors Band is coming together in harmony, rehearsing for their upcoming concert at Battery Creek High School. The talented middle and high school ensembles bring together students from across the district.
I'm looking forward to hearing the different instruments, because Will Branch, we don't have all the instruments that May River and Beaufort High have, so it's very experiencing to hear all the different instruments and everybody who's pretty experienced come together.
Being able to get introduced to new songs, it's really cool, and playing with other students from different schools, it's also a really fun experience to do because you're getting introduced to a lot of new things.
I'm excited to learn about the kids that we meet and what kind of talent they have and what they have to offer for the music that we're playing.
I'm trying to learn some techniques, how to go high in the notes, and I like to be on a whole band. It's kind of nice.
During the concert, the students will perform a variety of musical selections, showcasing their talents to the community.
We're all amazing players and we will show up and show out.
I hope they witness the high schoolers and the middle schoolers to see how passionate we are for music and how much we can grow. I know some of the people, high schoolers and middle schoolers, a lot of them, they could be professional. And so I hope the community realizes that.
The students are excited to be part of the District Honors Band, and these young musicians earn their spots by auditioning.
I auditioned with a trumpet, so usually you just get the audition piece and you practice with it, you go through it a lot to make sure you can perfect it, and there's certain scales you have to play, and you mainly get graded on the audition piece and the scales, and depending on what you're auditioning for, there are terms that you have to know the definitions for, and there are people in the rooms that will judge you on your playing to make sure they get an accurate result on where you place.
The Honors Band is made up of about 115 middle and high school students from across the district. At Battery Creek High School, Ron Loebs, Beaufort County School District.